Instructor Robert Carpenter, an electrical instructor. Today I want to talk to all you young electricians that's out there. You're getting out in the field and you're trying to learn a trade, and you're in a trade school somewhere in America. Some of the things that I noticed about being an instructor in the trade school, and also working in the field, that the new electricians don't really get the opportunity to learn from the old electricians. I don't know what it is. Sometimes it's a selfish thing, or I don't know what it is, but I like to share information. And today I want to talk about the hospital grade. What is hospital grade receptacles? So I'm going to show you a few hospital grades, and I'm going to show you what's the difference. First of all, I want to pick up a regular receptacle. Now, this is a regular receptacle, and to you, it just looks like a regular receptacle. But what makes this different is that green dot. That represents hospital grade. So when you buy these are strictly used in hospitals. You will never see them in residential homes, commercial properties. You always see them in hospital places like uh, senior citizen homes, hospitals, anything where a person can take care of. But this is hospital grade. And later on, I will talk about the MCY that is hospital grade also. But then there's another one that's similar that they use. This is hospital grade, and you see you don't have to wire it to anything. You just have to connect the ground, and you have your hot and your neutral. It's like a little octopus. It sticks out, and you see how it has the green dot on it for hospital grade, right? And the other one that you haven't seen, and this is for emergency. This is usually for emergency power. You'll see a red one, and it has negative, it's neutral, and it's positive, and it has that green dot on it again, represents the hospital grade, and you hook these up for emergency power. And you can also find one without the octopus that also has the red and the green dot, and you'll see it, especially for hospitals. You have some hospitals that they make everything on emergency power. That's the new hospitals of the day. But the old hospitals, they only made emergency power on certain things, like in certain places, certain spaces at a hospital, especially in like emergency room, basically like uh, places where patients are being taken care of. You will see these green dots all over the place, and always remember that when you wind up in the hospital, look around, be conscious of what you're doing, and always know that you have to use hospital grade receptacles when you're working inside any hospital facility. Okay, me again, Big Rob, author, electrical instructor. Just want you to know that this is where you get it at. This is where you get all the information from. And you can come in if you're a new electrician. Just click on the link, subscribe, so you can get this new information out and you can continually learn. So every time I drop a new video, if you're a sub, if you're a subscriber, you'll get it. You can watch it. My videos are maybe 2 minutes to 3 minutes long, and you can learn a little bit more. Peace. Thanks for the support.